What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new AIAIAI TMA-2 HD Wireless headphones. So if you guys remember a few short years ago, we reviewed the original TMA-2 modular headphones, and they were modular because you're allowed to go to their website and make these exactly how you want them. You can change the different headbands, you can change the materials of the ear cups, you can also change the size of the ear cups, and you can also choose between many different speakers that they have, so that way you get the exact sound that you're looking for. I call these my pillows because I have these nice big plush ear pads on there, and they feel very, very light, almost like nothing's on my head at any time. And they're one of my favorite headphones to date that I've always loved and cherished for the last few years since I've had them. So now in steps the brand new TMA-2 HD wireless headphones. We also have an additional headband here. So we're going to unbox this and see exactly what we get inside of the box. Now this video is being shot before you guys are actually seeing it, so I've already had these for a while, even though they were just announced today. So we'll have the full out review video for you guys within the next week or so. First up, you get some warranty information, all the jargon and verbiage you need in here. Next, you have your cable. We'll open up the cable that it comes with. This is a straight triad cable. Alright, it's a nice, cool style cable design that we have here. It has like a plastic type of coating to it, but it's almost like a twisted feel to it. I'll get a close-up on the camera so you guys can see this. It also has a nice studio grade tip to it with a 1/4-inch adapter on the end. The other end that plugs into the headphones looks like there's a twist lock application, so you can twist this up into your headphone and lock it into place. Next we have the High Comfort H04 headband. This headband has nice plush material at the top. It has the 2 leads to connect this directly to your speaker units that are inside of the box here. Really cool to see the headband here. Next, we have the E08 ear pads. These are Alcantara over-the-ear ear pads. Nice and plush. I like how you get this in bags, by the way, with all the components that you ordered. They're all customized to exactly what you do order. Nice plush Alcantara ear pads. We also have the speaker units here, and the speaker units here are SO5 speaker units for very detailed sound. Open that up. Let you see one of these close up, and they look normal, just like the other speakers that you have for the other AIAIAI headphones, but again, these are new and improved. And next is the H05 Bluetooth wireless headband. The other headband I opened was an additional headband because they wanted me to see what they're like in wired and in wireless mode. So here is the Bluetooth headband. It's thicker at the top. You have buttons here, so that way you can do all of your wireless operations on these. And also in the headband package is a USB charging cable. And we'll move this stuff to the side, put it all together so you can see what it looks like when it's all assembled. Alright, so here they are, all assembled. They're a little bit more weighty than my originals, and that's probably because they have some Bluetooth technology here in the headband, and they also have buttons here in the headband. They also have an outlet here for your USB cable for charging. And on the bottom you have your 2 ports for your audio connectivity in case you don't want to use these in Bluetooth mode. Again, we have another headband here that has Alcantara underneath, very plush. They sent these to me so that way I can judge them based on using wireless or wired mode. So we'll do that in the full out review. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like to see unboxing videos and review videos like this one. Make sure you guys stay tuned because we will definitely have this review within the next week or so. So make sure you keep it locked. And as always, thanks for watching.